manual operation, convertible, self-absorption and lightweight. As the best-selling convertible sports car in the world. Except the original height is a little high. The MX-5 almost has no shortcomings. Now prices are young, 300,000 return to rationality. With the coming of electrification, this kind no latecomers car, there's hardly any room for price drop. Many people think this car has no enough horsepower, but if you take a test drive, you will understand, relative to the weight of MX-5, the horsepower is completely enough. Because of natural aspiration, you need lower maintenance costs and better durability. But you can drive it without scruple. Go anywhere. The weight of the car also makes the MX-5, after upgrading the coilover, has better handling and playability. So why is the original height so high? Because the original car sales are young, 100,000 or 200,000. You need often run on bad roads in the countryside.